This is a Jackson 1285 panic device. This is the outside cylinder. I'm going to show you real quickly how to take this cylinder out. It's very easy, but it looks a lot more elaborate than it actually is. So let's take a look on the inside here. We're going to remove these two outside screws here on the end cap. Set those aside. Set that aside, and then this end cap just comes right off. Now it looks like you can't get to anything, but in reality there's only one screw that you have to remove, and you don't even have to remove it, you just have to loosen it. And as you loosen it, it will kind of spit the cylinder out in the housing from the other side. This one's been kind of chewed up, but that's how that works. Now here's kind of the confusing part. When you go to put this back on, you're going to want to put it on level, but that's not the way it works. You have to kind of angle it a little bit on that screw on the outside, and then you just tighten the screw down, and then that will bring it flush with the door. Looks like somebody's actually tried to break into this one, but that's all right. They didn't get in. And now we're just going to reinstall our two screws. And that's how that works. And it's just a mortise cylinder, so it's not very difficult to service once you get it off. And that is the Jackson 1285. How to get the cylinder out.